All right, let's make a little video. This little video we're going to show our valve spring dampeners that are broken here. You can see this guy's broken. That guy looks okay. This guy's it's broken. That guy's broken. There's a little piece in there somewhere. That's a really good one to show it's broken right there. And that's broke. Oh, there's a little piece moving. So that's broken. So those dampeners are broken. This dampener's broken. So that one right there is broken. That one there's broken. So another one there's broken. So we got over half of them are broken. The dampeners are breaking probably because we're getting valve float, and or the dampeners might be coil binding. So the solution to that is to throw the dampeners in the trash. I wouldn't use those springs anyways. I think those springs are what Champion uses on their house heads. So I don't know if they're a PAC 1201 or if they're a copy of a PAC 1201, but I wouldn't use those. I also found right there, you see a little mark. So this is number 5. The looks like the intake valve has smacked the piston. Again, probably from over revving it. I don't see any damage on the head. And if that came here and it wasn't all diagrammed like that, being diagrammed like that, it's nice and rough. So that's most certainly going to be a hot spot, a detonation spot. So we're going to have to fix that by either replacing the piston or smoothing it out, whatever. But if it came in here and it had an eyebrow in it from smacking the valve, what I would tell the customer is just that. And I would say, hey, I can take the sharp edges off. I can smooth it out. It's probably going to be okay. Notice I said probably. And if it's not okay and it has a detonation problem, I'm going back to this right here. And most certainly we will not be held liable for it. So most customers are going to say, hey, put a piston in it. And if they don't, probably going to tell them to move their car anyways. Let's see. And then you come over to the head and you can see number 5's a little wetter than number 1 and number 3. But I did do a leak down on it, and they were all 20% or less, which, as black as this oil is, with all the cracks in these headers, cracks, more cracks on the other side, with all the cracks in the headers, of course the oil is going to be black. Of course, the engine wasn't running right. And here's a very big turbo on an internal gate. That's not going to work. We're going to have to take care of that. And then here is I don't know whose drain that is, but that was a real mother to get off. So we're going to probably go back to a stock style drain tube since it's really easy to use. So there's a few findings on this. So this is James's engine.